package ang isang candidate pag nag-join?
To be very honest, first and foremost, I used to receive a lot of compliments saying that I am a total package of being contesera. They say I am very feminine, I am very beautiful, and also I am smart when it comes to question and answer. But one of my weakness is that sometimes I lost my self-confidence in a way that I think I'm not gonna win this competition. I think this is already the end. But for me, the most important thing here is no need for you to become a perfect package. As long as you keep joining, you keep dreaming, then definitely one day you will get what you earn.
That's very contradicting, ha? Very contradicting yun. Kasi sabi mo, you don't need to be a total package. Eh di ba, what we're looking for is total package itself. Baka talagang mababa nga yung self-esteem mo.